Should kids still learn coding in the age of AI? Honestly, this is one of the biggest questions parents are asking right now, because AI can suddenly build websites, write code, make games, create apps, and automate things that used to take entire engineering teams. So naturally, a lot of parents are wondering, if AI can already do all of that, does learning coding still matter? And after running a Coding and AI Academy through this entire AI shift, I think the answer is more nuanced than most people realize. First, we have to be honest about something. AI really did change coding education massively. There are things that students can now build in days that previously would have taken months or years. AI can help generate code, debug problems, explain concepts, accelerate development, and reduce a lot of the repetitive work. So yes, the world changed, and honestly, I think many traditional coding programs are struggling right now because they are still teaching as if it's 2018. But here's where I think people are misunderstanding the shift. So should kids still learn coding? Yes, but probably not in the same way many of us learned it 10 or 15 years ago. I think students still need to understand the foundations of how technology actually works. They should understand things like how front-end and back-end systems function, how APIs connect software together, how data flows through applications, how to debug problems, how version control works with tools like GitHub, and how software projects are actually built and deployed in the real world. Because even in an AI-driven world, those foundations create massive leverage. The students who understand the underlying systems can build dramatically more powerful things with AI than students who only know how to prompt. And it takes a foundation in code to do that. But at the same time, I think the old model of technical education is becoming less relevant. There's probably less value in spending years memorizing syntax before students ever build something meaningful. The big shift is this. Students should be building much earlier, using AI as leverage, creating projects sooner, shipping real things, solving problems, building apps, games, automations, websites, and tools that other people can actually use. Because AI is changing how students build. But I don't think it removes the advantage of being able to build. If anything, I think it amplifies it. But I also think a lot of parents are accidentally confusing AI consumption with AI fluency. Using ChatGPT for homework is not the same thing as understanding how to build technology with it. There's a huge difference between using AI passively and using AI to create something meaningful. And the students who stand out in the next 5 to 10 years are probably not going to be the ones who simply consume AI tools all day. They're going to be the students who can direct AI, build with AI, solve problems with AI, and turn ideas into actual projects. Honestly, I think this is one of the best times ever for curious kids and teens who want to build things with technology, because students can now build things at younger ages that used to require entire engineering teams. A teenager today can prototype an app, launch a website, build an AI tool, create an automation, or start building a real portfolio much earlier than was possible even a few years ago. But the students who gain the most leverage won't just consume AI, they'll understand the foundations underneath it. They'll learn how to direct it, build with it, and turn ideas into real projects. If you're a parent trying to figure out what kids should actually be learning right now in coding and AI, follow along. I'll be sharing a lot more about this. Thanks for your time.